Hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. And in today's video, I want to share my thoughts on if you have what it takes to be successful on Etsy. Let's get into it. So welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I help entrepreneurs build long-term successful income streams online for more money, more freedom, and a better future. And currently, we're working on building our Etsy stores up. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. And quickly, before we get started, in case you haven't heard, I'm going to be hosting a series of advanced intensive group workshops, which I'm super excited about. And I'm looking for a small group of students who want to invest in themselves to take their Etsy businesses to the next level. The goal of these workshops is going to be to really accelerate your success with your Etsy business and get you to that next level as fast as humanly possible. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in getting, being a part of, then make sure you put your name on the early bird waiting list. Links in the description below this video. So let's dive in. So this video was prompted by someone who messaged me the other week. They had been, they'd watched all my videos, they'd been watching my content since like last year, and they were asking my advice on all different things like promoted listings, designs and niches and all that sort of stuff. And when I asked how it was going for them so far, they said they hadn't actually opened their store yet. It made me think, there's never gonna be a perfect time or situation to start anything. If you're waiting for that, you'll probably be waiting forever. So that leads me to the point of this video, which is, do you have what it takes to be successful on Etsy? And the main thing, I found to make progress and work towards our goals is simply to, get started and take action. Now, I know this is a bit of a buzzword in the online community, but it really is true. When I was at my job, I deliberated for ages before starting anything. And I reckon I probably could have quit my job, so much sooner if I hadn't done all that, bloody overthinking. So if you haven't started yet, I just want to ask you, what is the thing that is holding you back, okay? Now, you can think about absolutely everything that can go wrong and why it won't work, but the best thing to do is just to get started and then solve the problems as they come. There's a quote I was reading the other day that, said that success loves speed. When we learn something new, we should apply it and act on it quickly. The longer we wait around and, don't take action on something, the less chance that we will make a success out of it. I know that sometimes, this can seem overwhelming, when we're thinking about everything, that needs to be done, or we're, looking at someone that's far off from where, we are, and it seems almost pointless or hopeless to even try. I've been there. However, those things shouldn't stop us taking action. We should think about each small action we can take to get us closer to our goals, okay? If we were training to run a marathon, would we go out the first day and try and run the 26 miles? No, we'd start with a mile, say, or 2 miles, and then 3 and 4 and then 5, etc. And even if we walk the 26 miles, in the end, we'd still finish the marathon. So in our cases, building our Etsy stores, what are the actions you will need to take to get there? What is the one action you can take today to get closer to your goal? If you haven't started yet, the first step is simple. Sign up to Etsy, get going. The longer you leave it, the longer it's gonna take you to get to where you wanna go. Before you look around, if you stick with it, you keep taking steps, you keep taking actions, you try and do something every day to take your business forward, to take your Etsy business forward. Before you look around, you'll look back and you'll look at how far you've come. The main key is just to get started and take action, okay? So, hope you enjoyed the quick video, hope you found it useful. If you'd like to know the actions you can take, to build and grow your Etsy store this year, I highly recommend you sign up to the early bird waiting list for my upcoming live advanced group workshops below. This is the first time I'm ever doing anything like this before. I'm really super excited about it, and it's really gonna accelerate your success with your Etsy store to get you to that place to get you to the next level as fast as humanly possible. So if you want any chance of getting onto this, make sure you put your name on the early bird waiting list. Links in the description below this video. Again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.